Good morning, class. Today we will learn physics. Okay, so first question arises in our mind is what is physics? तो जो ये physics word है, it comes from a Greek word. Okay, and जो ये ग्रीक वर्ड है उसका मतलब होता है नेचर. ओके, सो ओवरऑल फिजिक्स you can say physics means to know the nature. नेचर को समझना, नेचर को जानना, इसकी जो फंडामेंटल लॉज है उसको समझना. ओके, I think you guys already learned some portion of physics in standard 9 and standard 10. Okay, let's discuss about standard 9. Okay, you guys learn kinematics. Okay, so kinematics, okay, we will learn this chapter in standard 11. Okay, then after you guys also learn laws of motion, Newton's laws, first law, second law, third law. Okay, everyone knows third law, every action has its equal and opposite reaction. And then after you also learn work, energy and power. Okay, ये भी आपको पता है ऑलरेडी कि ये वर्क, एनर्जी, पावर है. वो भी आपका चैप्टर था नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड नाइन्थ में. ओके, देन आफ्टर इन स्टैंडर्ड 10 you guys learn electric field, magnetic field, yes or no, ray optics. Okay, in electric field you guys learn Ohm's law, combination of resistance in series and parallel. Okay, you also learn magnetic field. Okay, what happens to magnet when it is placed in external magnetic field. Okay, in ray optics you guys learn mirrors formula, lens formula. Okay, so this chapters of standard 9. Okay, you will learn this chapter in physics over here in 11th standard. Okay, and this chapters electric field, magnetic field and ray optics, okay, this chapters you will learn in standard 12th. Okay, in physics. So over here in physics our first chapter is physical world. Okay, it is just an introduction type chapter. Okay, so here I am starting from directly from chapter number 2, which is unit and measurements. Unit and measurements. Okay, chalo. So first question arise in our mind is what is unit. कि भाई ये यूनिट है वो होता क्या है. हाँ, चलो. सो बहुत सारी फिज़िकल क्वांटिटीज़ हम लोग अब तक देख चुके हैं. कौन सी फिज़िकल क्वांटिटीज़ है वो हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. डिस्टेंस है, मास है, टाइम है, वर्क है, एनर्जी है, पावर है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. ओके, देन आफ्टर आपने रेजिस्टेंस देखा है. ये सब क्या है, फिज़िकल क्वांटिटीज़ आती है. ठीक है, हर एक के यूनिट्स होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूनिट एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. ओके, यूनिट होता क्या है. स्टैंडर्ड मेज़र, स्टैंडर्ड मेज़र of any physical quantity, standard measure of any physical quantity is called unit of that quantity. But this standard मेजर मस्ट बी इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड। ओके, ये जो स्टैंडर्ड मेज़र है वो इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड होना चाहिए। ठीक है, चलो सो एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे देखते हैं। ओके, वी नो दैट मास इज मेजर्ड इन अ केजी, यस और नो? मास measured in a kilogram. So we can say that kilogram is unit of mass. Okay, then after distance, distance is measured in a meter, so meter is a unit of distance. Okay, one another example, time. Time measured in a second or minute. Okay, so many units are available. Okay, but in physics we use its SI unit as second. Okay, so time is measured in a second, so second is a unit of time. It doesn't mean minute and hour is not a unit of time, they are also unit of time. Okay, you already learn work, okay, which is measured in a joule, so unit of work is joule. Okay, power measured in a watt. Okay, so its unit is watt. Okay, so once again, what is unit? Unit standard measure of any physical quantity, मतलब physical quantity को जो भी स्टैंडर्ड मेज़र में आप नापते हो, ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसका यूनिट। ओके, सपोज मास मेज़र करना है, ऑब्वियसली हम लोग किलोग्राम में मेज़र करते हैं, सो किलोग्राम इज़ यूनिट ऑफ मास। ओके, नेक्स्ट, देर आर सो मैनी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ आर अवेलेबल, बहुत सारी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ अवेलेबल है। ठीक है, बट कुछ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ होती है, कुछ डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटीज़ होती है। ओके, सो quantities and units are classified into types. One, fundamental unit, quantity and fundamental unit. Second one is derived. Okay, so बहुत सारी क्वांटिटीज़ अवेलेबल है, लाइक मास, लेंथ, टाइम, वर्क, पावर, एनर्जी, जूल, स्पीड, वेलोसिटी, एक्सेलरेशन। आउट ऑफ देम डिसाइड कैसे करेंगे कौन सी फंडामेंटल है, कौन सी डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी है? ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी। एंड फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स। ओके, सो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ डिसाइड कर लेते हैं। फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़, ओके, द मिनिमम लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज़, द मिनिमम limited quantities with the help of which all the other quantities can be expressed, defined, is called, are called fundamental quantities. Okay, and their units are known as a fundamental units. ओके, एग्जाम्पल डिस्टेंस है, मास है, टाइम है, ये सब क्या है, फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स है। मीन्स डिस्टेंस को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए दूसरी कोई फिज़िकल क्वांटिटी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। मास है, उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है, टाइम को एक्सप्लेन करना है, तो दूसरी कोई भी फिज़िकल क्वांटिटीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है। लेकिन डिस्टेंस, मास और टाइम की हेल्प से हम दूसरी बहुत सारी क्वांटिटी को क्या कर सकते हैं, एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। दैट्स वाई डिस्टेंस, मास, टाइम, ऑल दैट आर फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स। एग्जाम्पल डिटेल में देख लेते हैं एक, कि स्पीड है। व्हाट इज स्पीड? स्पीड होता क्या है? डिस्टेंस पर यूनिट टाइम, मतलब डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम is known as a speed. Okay, we know that distance is measured in a meter, time is measured in a second. So over here distance, with the help of distance and time, we can express speed, we can define speed. So this distance and time, these two are fundamental quantities. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज बोलेंगे। सो मीन्स मीटर एंड सेकंड है, ये क्या हो गए? फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स हो गए, क्योंकि इसकी हेल्प से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, दूसरी क्वांटिटीज़ को क्या कर सकते हैं, एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। ओके, सेकंड वन देख लेते हैं, डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटीज एंड देयर यूनिट्स। derived quantities and derived units. Okay, so derived quantities किसको बोलेंगे? The quantities which are derived from fundamental quantity. Basically the quantities which are derived from this fundamental quantity are known as a derived quantities. Quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities, which are derived from fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. ऐसी quantities को क्या बोलेंगे? derived quantities. मीन्स अगर इसका एग्जाम्पल देना है तो कौन सा एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं? स्पीड. Over here in above example we will learn that speed is derived from distance and time. These two are fundamental quantities, and with the help of these two fundamental quantities, here we can express speed. So speed is derived from fundamental quantities, so speed is our derived quantity. एंड डिराइव्ड यूनिट का एग्जाम्पल देना है तो डिराइव्ड यूनिट किसको बोलेंगे? डिराइव्ड यूनिट का एग्जाम्पल मीटर पर सेकंड हो गया। कंबाइंडली मीटर पर सेकंड इज यूनिट ऑफ व्हाट? स्पीड. Okay, in our speedometer, in our bike, we have tachometer and speedometer. Both some bikes have speedometer. We can see over there that meter per second, they mention meter per second. Why they mention meter per second? It indicates unit of speed. Means speed indicated in your speedometer is measured in a meter per second. Okay, this meter per second is expressed as a combination of meter and second, so that meter per second is our derived unit. Clear? Okay, next we will see system of units. Okay, system of units. Okay, in different time, different time, in different countries and at different places. Okay, different units, or you can say system of units are used. Okay, let's see some system of unit. First one, FPS. FPS. Okay, distance, mass, and time. Okay, what is FPS? Means in this system, distance is measured in a feet, mass is measured in a pound, and time is measured in a second. So feet, pound, and second. Okay, second system CGS. Okay, means distance is measured in a centimeter. Okay, mass is measured in a gram, and time is measured in a second. Third system is MKS system. Okay, means in this system distance is measured in a meter, mass is measured in a kilogram, and time is measured in a second. Okay, fourth system MKSA. In this system there is four fundamental quantities, so we've made fourth column over here. In this system distance is measured in a meter, mass is measured in a kilogram, time is measured in a second, and fourth one over here, fourth quantity, that is electric current. So you already learned that current is measured in a ampere in standard tank. Okay, so over here fourth quantity stands for ampere, means it is unit of electric current. Okay, in this system there is four fundamental quantity. Okay, and next and last system which is currently used, which is given by International Bureau of Weight and Measurement, known as the SI system, means system international. SI system means system international. Okay, it is given by International Bureau of Weight and Measurement. Okay, so in this system, in SI system, there is 7 fundamental quantities. There is 7 fundamental क्वांटिटी. कितनी है टोटल? 7 है. ये 7 को फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज बोला गया है ये सिस्टम में. ठीक है, तो ये जो 7 फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ है ये देख लेते हैं हम लोग. ओके, क्वांटिटी, देयर यूनिट्स एंड सिंबल. ओके, so first quantity, okay, length means it includes all type of distances like breadth, height, width. Okay, so length is measured in, we know that in a meter, its symbol is small m. Okay, second one, mass measured in a kilogram, its symbol is kg. Okay, third one, okay, time. ओके, चलो, तो ये टाइम है, इसको किस में लिखेंगे? आवर में, मिनट में या सेकंड में? ओके, इट्स इन एसआई सिस्टम, इट्स यूनिट इज सेकंड, सिंबलाइज्ड एज स्मॉल एस. ओके, fourth one, electric current. Okay, its unit is ampere, symbolized as capital A. Why we are writing capital A in a symbol of electric current, or you can say ampere? Because it is in the name of scientist. Whenever any unit is as honored of any scientist, okay, it's symbolized as in capital letter. Okay, fifth one, amount of substance. okay. Its unit is mole, okay. Amount of substance, its unit is mole, and symbol is mol. Sixth one, okay, thermodynamic temperature. Thermodynamic temperature, okay. It is nothing but temperature, okay. They mentions full name over here, thermodynamic temperature, so no need to worry, okay. Its unit is Kelvin in the name of scientist, so its unit is capital K. And the last one is luminous intensity, okay. Luminous intensity, its unit is candela, okay. You can say it is Jyoti Tivrata, intensity of light, okay. Intensity of lights, its unit is candela and symbolized as CD, okay. So it is 7 fundamental quantity. There are total 5 type of system of unit: FPS, CGS, MKS, MKSA and SI system. In FPS there is 3 fundamental quantity. In CGS 3, MKS there is also 3 fundamental quantity. MKSA in the system 4 quantities are considered as fundamental, okay. In SI system there is 7 fundamental, or you can say base quantities, okay. Now many times question in SQ are asked like mass is measured in pound in FPS system, so they can ask like in FPS system mass is measured in blank. So in such a system mass is measured in a pound, okay. So mass is measured in a CGS system gram, okay. So they can ask in CGS system mass is measured in a blank, so you have to write a gram. Same as if we speak about distance, and then in FPS system distance is measured in a feet. In CGS system it is measured in a centimeter, but in SI system distance, or you can say length, breadth, width, all included in distance measured in a meter, okay. So we will continue from next lecture, okay. I hope all of you guys are safe, okay. So stay at your home.